Welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to swap BNB to Solana on TrustWallet, right? A lot of times people don't really know how they can actually swap their token here on TrustWallet to Solana in order to transfer to Phantom Wallet, right? Now today I'm going to show you step by step how you can swap your BNB to Solana in this particular video. Please, if this is the first time you are coming to this channel or you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to this channel and let's go. Now once you must have downloaded your Trust Wallet and created account already, you are on your home page like this. So what you will do in order to access Solana, you have to scroll down to the very bottom. So when you get here, I hope you can see here manage crypto, right? You tap on manage crypto and you will see here they said all networks. You click on this drop down arrow and you look for Solana. I hope you can see Solana here. Then I will now click on this check. I will now check it here and I'll now have to turn it on. As you can see Solana here, I'll now have to turn it on, right? So I've turned it on. I have to go to my home page now. Let's see if Solana really appeared. And you can see Solana is here already, right? I hope you can see that. Now what you will do is you now tap on this Solana. Before then, you must be sure that you have your BNB already. So look at my BNB that I have. I want to be swapping it to Sol, right? So I will now scroll down to Solana. Look at Solana here. I will now click on Sol. So immediately Sol has opened. I will now go to swap. I hope you can see swap here. I'll click on swap and I will click on cross chain swap, right? Cross chain, because this is from BNB chain to Sol chain, right? I will now select the cross chain. And as you can see here, this is from BNB to Sol. Now I will now choose how many percent I want to swap. If I want 25%, okay, let me just say I want 50%, which is 6. Okay, I want more than 50%. Let me do it 8, 9. Okay, as you can see, what I want to send here is $8 worth of BNB is what I want to swap, right? So as you can see everything here, look at the gas fee is very small, right? As you can see it here. So I will be receiving 8.67 instead of 8.72. So just few cents was collected for the transaction fee, and I'll click on continue. Now you can see I will now have to click on swap, right? So look at the network fee is just $0.01. So I will click on continue so I can actually proceed with this transaction, right? So I will click on confirm swap. Okay, let's just wait a few seconds. Okay, let's go back and confirm if this transaction has went through. So we'll have to go back to my home page. Let's refresh. As you can see here, Solana is here already. I hope you can see. So we have successfully swapped BNB to Solana in Trust Wallet, right? So please do well to subscribe to this channel because I'll be bringing a lot of updates for you guys. See you on the next one.